Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the wallpaper. Vinyl versus paper determines approach. Once done, score a small area and spray with warm water or a remover. This loosens paste without damage. You want to test one patch first to confirm time to penetrate, because oversaturating can ruin backing. Make sure to gather a wide scraper, a soft cloth, and a bucket. Begin peeling from a seam. Lift slowly at a low angle so you separate layers rather than tearing paper. Once the old paper is removed and the wall is cleaned, you repair any gouges with spackle and sand smooth. Let it dry fully. You then apply adhesive or seam sealer to the back of the wallpaper or wall, depending on the product instructions, and position the sheet carefully, matching the pattern at the edges. Press into place using a smoothing tool from the center outward to push out air and excess paste. Make sure to trim overlaps with a sharp blade for tight seams. You finish by trimming edges cleanly and rolling seams to ensure contact. Then wipe away any paste residue with a damp sponge so it won't show later. Once installed, allow the manufacturer's recommended drying time and check again after 24 hours for any bubbles or lifting. If a seam lifts, make sure to push adhesive under it, then roll and weigh it until set. If glue won't stick, carefully reapply adhesive and use low heat from a hair dryer to react.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.